Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a air vent cleaning service website. The platform that we'll be using to create our website is Wix. The reason why I recommend Wix Website Builder is it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and you can also get started for completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com, and from there you can create an account with your email address. Once you have created an account, I want you to tap on create new site. After selecting create new site, you are going to tap on create on Wix editor. Once you have selected create on Wix editor, you will be redirected to this page, and you're going to tap on set up without AI. After selecting setup without AI, on the search bar, you're going to type in air vent. So let's do that real quick. And you can see it right here, air vent cleaning services. So you can tap on that, then select next. After selecting next, you can see that our dashboard is being prepared in the background. Once our dashboard has been prepared, I'll be showing you how to add your business name, opening hours, and also how to set up payments so you'll be able to accept payments online, and also how to add the different services that your business offers. So you can tap right here that says enter your business name, and from here you could enter your business name. Then you can also add your business address and tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. After doing that, you'll be able to set up your working hours. So let's say, for example, 5 days per week from Monday to Friday, and our business will be open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So we can set that up right here. We can arrange our opening and closing hours. Then tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. After you have done that, you can add any one of these services that relates to your business. So for example, consultation, in-person appointment, and you can also scroll down and we'll offer home visit. Then tap on next. And if it's a case that you would like to create a new service that you don't see right here, you could tap on create new service, enter the service name, and then later on in the tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add the costs and so on for the services. After you have entered your service name, you can tap on save. Then tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. On this page, you'll be able to add your staff member's name and email address. Then tap on next once more. And from here, will you be accepting payments online? If that is the case, tap on accept online payments. And also, will you be accepting payments in person? More than likely, so you can tap on that. Then select next. Then tap on continue to dashboard. From here, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to select booking services. After selecting booking services, you could go over to the top right-hand corner, and you could add more services by tapping on add new service. So let's say, for example, I were to tap on it to create a new service. From here, you could scroll down, tap on start from scratch. After selecting start from scratch, you can type in right where you see service number 4. Let's say, for example, air vent cleaning. Then you could add a picture right here. So you could tap on add image, then select upload media, and you could upload an image. So let's say, for example, I were to type in air vent right here, and let's see if they have any copyright free images that I could use. So I could simply select this one right here, just for example's sake, or better yet, this one. Then tap on add to page. After selecting add to page, you can see that it has been added right there. You can also add a quick description of the service and also the duration time that it would normally take. Then you're going to scroll down, and from here you can set your price. So let's say, for example, $100. then you would tap on save in the top right hand corner. And you can continue doing this. You can continue adding different services on this page, and that's how you'll be able to add a service and add the price. Now to close this, you'll simply go over to the top left hand corner and tap on the X. Then you can scroll down, and for the services that we had added earlier, to edit it, all you need to do is tap on edit in line with the service name. After selecting edit, you will be redirected to that particular service page, as you can see right here. And you could tap on the X right here to remove this image and upload an image that you want. Then you can scroll down, and to set the price again, you'll tap on fixed price, and you can set the price right there and tap on save once more. And you can do this to edit all of the services that you will be offering. And by the way, when you go over to the left hand menu option, right where you see calendar, if you were to tap on that, from here you'll be able to see all of the bookings that you have in the future. So you can see right here, you will see your calendar, and you will see all of the bookings that you have in the future. And you can also edit your staff members by tapping on staff. And by scrolling down, you're going to select billing and payments, then tap on payments. And after tapping on payments, I want you to select manage payment methods. And this is where we are going to be setting up the different payment options that we will be offering our customers. Depending on the country you're located in, you will see different payment options. For example, I can connect TiloPay and PayPal. But let's say, for example, I were located in a different country, or if you want to switch the country on your website, you could tap on your business location in the top right hand corner. Then from here, you can search for the country. So let's say, for example, I were to type in United States, just to show you that you'll be getting a different set of payment options depending on the country you're located in. As you can see right here, you'll be able to accept payments using the Wix payment method. You can also scroll down and tap on see more payment options, and you can connect AAA, Afterpay, Affirm, and numerous other payment options, as you can see right there. After you have added the payment options, you're going to go back over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to tap on set up. After selecting set up, we're now going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. Once you have selected design site, I want you to tap on pick a template. And from here you can see different themes that you can use, and this is one of the major standout features when it comes on to Wix compared to other website builders. As with these templates, you'll be able to create a professional looking website in no time. So let's say, for example, I would like to use this template. All I would need to do is, from here, you could choose to tap in the box and provide some information on the Wix, and the Wix AI will compose articles that you can add to your website. Or for now, you can tap on the X to close the pop-up. Once you have closed the pop-up, you're going to tap on plus 50% in the top right hand corner. And at the moment, this is how our website looks, as you can see right here. Now, once on this page, we can start editing our website appears. So all you would need to do is hover over the particular section that you would like to edit. Let's say the header section, then tap on quick edit. After selecting quick edit, you can change the title right here by tapping in the section. You can add the information you want. You can also change the strip background. You can edit any section you want by simply hovering over it. If we wanted to edit this section, we can simply hover over it, tap on quick edit once more in the top left hand corner, and from there again you can change the title, the section background. You can also change the vector art right here if you want. And that is how you'll be able to edit each section on your Wix website. And to view all the pages on your Wix website, or better yet, to add something to your Wix website, an element. So let's say, for example, a text box or so on. You'll need to go over to the left hand menu option, tap on the plus in the top left hand corner which says add elements. From here you'll find text boxes, images, buttons, anything at all that you would like to add to your website that you don't see at the moment. You will find it in the add elements section, whether it is video, music, contact forms, pop-ups, anything at all, you will find it right here. So all you'll need to do is tap and drag and place it where you want on your website. And as I was saying earlier, to find the pages that are on your website, you'll need to tap on home in the top left hand corner. Then from there you can see all of the pages right here. So let's say, for example, we wanted to edit the services page. All we would need to do is select services. Then you can see we are now on the services page, as you can see right here. And you can see that it provides us with a template. And to edit these, all you would need to do again is simply hover over them, tap on quick edit, and from there you'll be able to make your changes. Once they are finished, you'll simply tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then you can tap on publish for your website to go live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.